Okay, so we've done a lot of cooking on our Pacific Northwest tour here, and what you're looking at right now is the most recent soup that I made. It was a huge smash hit. It is our fall soup. It is a squash soup featuring lots of peppers and salsa and of course potatoes and tomatoes. I like to be original sometimes, so I definitely kept that in mind when I added the tomatillos and the cilantro and a bunch of other ingredients. But that's on our YouTube channel already, and just go check it out by looking up how to make a fall soup or how to make a squash soup. Right now, what I'm going to do is show you all the leftovers and everything that's left that you don't get to see in our normal videos. And then what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to cook tonight probably 3 or 4 different things out of this soup. You see another pot sitting here, so I'm going to do definitely another soup from this one. So we're just going to use what's in this one and throw it in here, and then we'll choose from all these ingredients. We got the black beans that we haven't used yet, cabbage we haven't used yet, cilantro we haven't used yet, a lot of jalapenos we haven't used yet. We have the carrots we haven't used, spinach, feta, red potatoes, golden potatoes, avocado, yellow onion, the cheese, which I know a lot of people watching our videos are vegan, so I will always let you know if we're using anything made by an animal or from an animal, so you never have to worry about anything. Most everything I do on this channel and with my recipes is going to be vegan and plant-based, just because it's more fun to cook without all the all the cheats, such as honey and milk and butter, eggs, especially eggs. They're using almost anything. So anyways, it's more fun just to cook that way, which is why I created the pie crust that I created the other day. Remember, this is just Healthy by Heath granola, which is gluten-free and vegan, sugar-free as well, and with my sourdough starter, which is just flour and water. So you can create basic things and make them really good, and this crust is holding up. We'll make a pie out of it probably tomorrow, apple pie or something like that. Anyways, getting back to the rest of our stuff. This is a quiche that I made, and then I combined that with chorizo and some other things. Here's some just chorizo. Here's some feta. I'm glad I warned all the vegan people out there ahead of time. The French toast, which is vegan and gluten-free as well. Then we have some more cheeses back there. And then here we have our vegan and gluten-free Healthy by Heath spicy authentic hot sauces. And then that's the Healthy by Heath hot oil that I make from just avocado oil and arbol peppers. So just 2 ingredients, and then I let it sit for over a year, and it gets spicy and it tastes great in everything we make. I had originally thought I'd put some of that in here, but I was reminded today that I couldn't find it the other day. So the spice from this came from everything but the hot oil. However, I guarantee I'm going to use it in this one because I love the taste of it. And I'll throw some vinegar in there, and it'll be really good with a ton of water, of course, and then whatever ingredients we choose that we still have left. So please come back. I'll kind of show you what I've made and what I made it from, but you see what I have to choose from. And I'm going to make a few dishes out of this. And hopefully you get a little bit inspired. If not, that's okay. But if you have family, if you have just friends, it doesn't matter. You're always going to have leftovers, so you need to figure something out to do with your leftovers. And tonight is the night. Lucky you. Lucky me, because I actually have a lot of fun doing this. So I'll be up doing this while you guys sleep, and then I'll post the videos, and hopefully I'll catch a nap while you guys maybe watch a video or two. Cheers.